Hello friends, my name is Akansha and I'm your German trainer. Today in this video, we're going to learn German alphabets. So without wasting the time, let's just start the video. Okay, so in English, we say the alphabets. So and in German, we say the alphabet. The alphabet. These are the German alphabet. They are similar like English and these are the sounds. You can understand according to your comfort level. This is in English and it's in Hindi. So it is A and the sound is A. A means apfel. A for apfel means in it apple. Then it's B. Sound it's bay. Bay. Bay for brot. In English, it's bread. Then is say, clown, joker. Then it's D. The D sound is day, Deutschland. Deutschland means Germany. Then E sound is A. Here is elephant. In English, elephant. Then it's F. Sound is similar. F. It's fish. In English is also fish. Whenever we have SCH, the sound is show. Then it's G, it's gay. Gay. Guitar. In English, guitar. H is ha. Ha. H for hund. Hund is dog. Then it's I. I sound it's E. E. Here it's eagle. In English also eagle. Then is J. Sound is very different. We have to concentrate. So J sound is yacht. Yacht. Yogurt. In English also yogurt. Only the alphabet is changed. Sound is same. Okay. So now please try to repeat after me. So A sound is A. B. Say, day, A, F, gay, ha, E, yacht. Now let's move to the next set of the alphabets. Okay, now it's K. So K sound is ka. Ka. Carter. Carter is card and map. For both we can use Carter word. And in German for the K sound only K's exist. So K is ka, Carter and card and map also. Then L sound is same. L lure and it's lion. Then M, same sound, M, Morgan. Morgan is morning. Then N, Nacht, and it's night. So for the K sound, we have to write CH, Nacht. One more very important thing is CH sounded K, but sometimes it's also sh. There is no rule behind it. We have to learn. For example, NaCH, NaCHT is Nacht and NiCHT is Nisht. So it's depend on the word also. Nacht, night. Then it's O, orang. Orang is orange. So if you notice in this word we have A, but the sound is A because in German A it's A. So it becomes orang, orange. Then pay, P is pay, party. In English also party. We have ample of the words who are similar like English. Q is coup, quiz. And English also quiz. Then R sound it's R, wrote, red color. Then S. S sound is S, but sometimes it sounds like Z also. It's depend if your S is coming around your vowels, then so S is S sound, but sometimes it becomes Z also. Here it's zona, zona, because it's come with the vowel. So zona, sun. Then T. T sound is te. Te. Te it's T. Te it's T. Okay. So now the time of the pronunciation. K it's ka. Ka. L M N O P Q L S T. Okay, so now it's U, but sound it's oo. Oo. Ooher. Ooher it's clock. Now it's V, sound is very different. This time also we have to concentrate. So V sound is fow. Fow. Fear. Fear it's 4. Important thing that we have to know that whenever we have I and then E sound is become E. So it's fear 4. Then W it's way. Wasser. Wasser is water. X sound is eeks. Xylophone. Y sound is epsilon. Yoga. Here also yoga. So now sound is epsilon, but in words Y works similar like English. For example, in English also it's Y, but sound is yoga. So epsilon, but in word it's same like English, yoga. Z is set. The word is zoo, and here also zoo. So we have to understand that the each and every alphabet have its own sound, but whenever they will come in the word, then they change their sound also. So it's like Z is set, but in word is zoo only. Now it's time for the pronunciation. So it's oo, fow, way, eeks, epsilon, set. Now these are the same 26 alphabets which we have in English also. Now it's time for the 4 more alphabets which we have only in German. So we have to start with them. Okay, so now this is the rest 4 alphabets. You must be thinking that these are the same alphabets which we have learned, but no. These are different because of this symbol. So what we call this symbol? This symbol is umlaut. Umlaut. And this is very important symbol. What happened when we put this symbol on the alphabets? I will tell you, but most important thing is that we can put only on these 3 alphabets this umlaut sign. So first we learned the sound, and then we learned that what happened when we use this umlaut on these alphabets. So it's A. Now the sound has become again A, because A it's coming with the umlaut. So A sound become again A, not R this time. It's A. O sound with umlaut it's yo. U with umlaut it's become U, not U this time. So it's U only. And this is similar like what we have learned in maths, beta sign. So it's beta sign, but the sound is etc. Now what happened when we use this? This umlaut sign change the sound of the word, meaning of the word, and it make plural also. So when, for example, same spelling, you can see same spelling, it's shown. I can write also shown. Shown means already, already shown. And when on the same spelling, when we put umlaut sign on o, it become shown, shown. And shown means pretty, beautiful. Then apfel, we have learned apfel, it's apple, but when I put umlaut sign on a, it become apfel. Apfel become apples. So this sign, this symbol is very important. It can change these three things. We have to learn this. Okay, so today we covered 30 German alphabets. I hope this video will help you to learn German alphabets. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.